Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to apply for Kohl's card. Open the website apply.kohls.com, then you will be directed here. Here, enter all the required information. After entering all the necessary information, click on the Review button. Now, on this page, if you wish to make some changes, click on the edit icon beside the information you would like to change. So after reviewing and if everything looks good, click on the tick box to confirm that you agree to the above information and disclosures. Lastly, click on Apply button. That's how you apply for Kohl's card. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.